Hello, welcome to Plodwithme. My name is Colin, and I know today you were expecting a video up London, but for technical reasons with my equipment it wasn't possible this week. So I just thought I'd put together a video explaining what the channel was about for any of you that don't know, or for any of you that have been watching, what my thinking behind it was. So obviously I take you up London, I walk around various areas, tell you a bit about the area, about the events that have taken place at individual places up there. When I was first sort of putting this idea together, I was aware there was other people who do similar things. For example, there's John Rogers and Jules Guides on YouTube. If you haven't seen them and you like London history, I really recommend them. And what they do is they do like edited highlights. So they'll take you to an area and they will show you all the interesting bits about it. And that's great. I've watched their stuff for a few years, and it works for me as well. But when I was wanting to do it, I wanted to do something slightly different, in that I wanted to actually, for as long as I can find the routes and there's enough places out there for us to walk around in this way, I wanted to try and make it like a walking tour. Because I'm very aware there's people who, for health reasons, can't do that sort of thing, or if someone's living abroad, or even over here, and they don't have the money to do this sort of thing. I was very aware that this might be a way for them to sort of experience it sort of via the camera. So that was my reasoning. That's why it may seem like some of the bits there's lots of walking in between with no information, and that's fine from my side. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. I was hoping you would enjoy just seeing the London streets, what the area looks like, and going forward, as I say, so long as I can find enough areas and with a bit on the history about them, I'll try and continue doing it that way. Obviously, if I'm getting feedback that maybe you prefer the edited highlights, maybe I'll go down that route the same way as the other guys have. Lord knows they're very popular, very successful channels. I'm just starting out, and I just thought, as I say, I would try something different. And as I say, I was very aware people might not be able to do tours for one reason or another, and I thought this might be a good way of doing it. So if you do know someone who, as I say, for health or wealth reasons, maybe can't get the experience London and experience doing a tour, let them know. It might not tickle their fancy, but if they do like it, I hope they do. Just let them know that the option is there if they want it. Okay. So for for those of you that have already subscribed, thank you very much, and for those of you that have just sort of in passing and watched the channel, I hope you've enjoyed it. But for this week, that's it for today. I thought I'd keep it fairly brief. I'm going to be out trying some new equipment tomorrow, so hopefully we will be back up and doing more sort of sights of London going forward. Alright, so as I say, thank you all for watching. Thanks for the subscriptions for those of you that have, and hopefully I'll see you next week somewhere up London. Okay, thank you, bye.